Use the graph below to write the equation of the graph in y is equal to a times the square of x minus h plus k form. Well, first of all, notice that the form that's given is vertex form. In the vertex form of a parabola, x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable, and the other three letters are the parameters. A determines whether the parabola opens up or down, and the absolute value of a determines how wide or how narrow the parabola is. The values of h and k determine the vertex. H is the x-coordinate of the vertex, and k is the y-coordinate of the vertex. So first of all, locate the vertex of the parabola on the provided graph. Since the parabola opens upward, the vertex is the lowest point, which in this case is -1, -1. So h is -1 and k is also -1. Substitute these values into the vertex form. We get y is equal to a times the square of x minus -1 plus -1. Now simplify. We get y is equal to a times the square of x plus 1 minus 1. To find the value of a, use the point 1, 7. The point 1, 7 tells us that when the x-coordinate is 1, the y-coordinate must be 7. So substitute 1 for x and 7 for y in the equation and then solve for a. First, we get 7 is equal to a times the square of 1 plus 1 minus 1. The square of 1 plus 1 is the square of 2, which is 4. So we get 7 is equal to 4a minus 1. Now add 1 to both sides of the equation. We get 8 is equal to 4a. Finally, divide both sides by 4. We find that a is equal to 2, so now substitute 2 for a in the vertex form. The vertex form of the given graph is y is equal to 2 times the square of x plus 1 minus 1. That matches D, so D is the correct answer. To double check, you can use your graphing calculator. Go to y equals to enter the equation. Next, create a good viewing window using Window. On the given graph, the values of x range from -5 to 5 with a scale of 1. So enter -5 for x minimum, 5 for x maximum, and 1 for x scale. Along the y-axis, the y values range from -9 to 9 with a scale of 1. So enter -9 for y minimum, 9 for y maximum, and 1 for y scale. Then press Graph. We get a parabola that is very similar to the one that's given, but we want to double check and make sure that the parabola passes through the points 1, 7 and -1, -1. So let's use Trace. First of all, we enter an x value of 1. Press Enter, and we see that the point 1, 7 is on the graph of the parabola, just like the given parabola. Next, enter -1 for x. We see that the point -1, -1 is on the graph and that it's at the vertex. Therefore, we've found the correct equation of the graph.